Hi, Mike. A very good evening to you. Welcome to Philab.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. And how about you? How are you doing today?
I'm doing really good, thank you.
Okay, so we have this question here in which we need to show that here is a Venn diagram showing the sets B and D as well as the universal set. Okay, and the below and write your answer in a roster form. Okay, so we have this question here in which we are given two sets of B and D, and there's a universal set as well with this, with F, P, and R, and GX and HQ. Okay, so here we need to find that the followings are, in a subset or not. Let me just use the board here.
That
So we have
yes,
like this, B and D. So is that this symbol basically represent if B or D have any common parts? As you can see in the Venn diagram, they both are different circles. They are not interacting with each other at all,
yes,
right?
yes.
So you can write those things which are not in B and D. So in the universal set, you can see F, P, and R. You can write those things which are not in B, and they are both are not in D as well. As you can see, F, P, and R, these three numbers, not belongs to B, neither it belongs to D. So in this part, you can write F, P, and R. This symbol basically here means those things which are not in both of them, which are not common in both of them. Okay,
Okay,
this symbol. Okay,
okay.
so you can write F, P, and R because they both are not in B and D as well.
Got
Okay,
it. Thank you.
got it. Now
Y-
in the B part of the question, it is written like this B, and there's a small dash like this over it. It basically means all those things which are not in B, which are not in the
and B.
B thing. Okay,
Okay.
so tell me, you can see in this particular Venn diagram which things are not there.
Not in B. Is it
Hmm.
H and Q?
Yeah, H and Q, and
F
you're right, very
F
good.
P O.
Yes, yes. So you can write H, Q, F, P, and R. Sorry for that.
It's
Now, this symbol over here in the C part, this one over here, this shows, this symbol means those things which are common in B, in two sets. This means those things which are common in two sets. So we are given here B and D. So is there anything which is common in these two?
B and D.
Yes.
And
No, there is nothing
no,
common,
there's
right?
nothing.
Right. So we can see that there is nothing common in this. There's a union, that this symbol called union
It's a set.
one.
Union sets.
Yeah. Yes. Union set. It means that elements that belongs to both set. Elements that belongs to set A or set
B.
B. This means union. That elements that belongs to set A or B. So that in set B we have G, X, right?
Yes.
And H and Q. So this means union. Union means they are combining these two.
They all. Oh,
So we have G, X, and HQ, right?
yes.
But after this, they have a bracket. And in bracket, after the bracket, they have this sign again. This is small dash, right? So
Yes.
it basically means which things avoid those things. This dash basically means those things are not needed to be included. Do not include. This small dash means basically do not include. So G, X, H, and Q. These things we need not to include. Apart from this thing, what else you can see in the diagram? G, X, H, Q. Apart from this four,
F
what is
P O.
remaining in? Very good. So it will be F, P, and R will be written for the C part.
Got it.
Got it? Okay.
Wait, so is
Yes,
A?
do you have any
Yeah,
yes?
I have a question about A.
A part, okay.
Yes.
So in A part of the question, there's an intersection. Let me just write that. This symbol is called intersection. Intersection means
All the number
those things,
that is common to
yes,
each other?
you, yeah, intersection basically means those things which are
Common.
common in A and B both. Okay, this is called intersection. Let me just write this. This symbol means intersection. It basically means those things which are common in both things. Okay, suppose I'm having a diagram like this and this over here in A and D. So you can see in this Venn diagram, they have a common A. This over here, small a, is common over here. Let me just use another number. Just a second now. Okay, suppose I have this C and E and B. So as you can see in this two sets of A and B, if I ask you A and intersection B, so you can write E because E is the common one, right?
Yes.
Right, Mike?
Yes.
So this intersection symbol means which is common in both diagrams.
Oh, let me see. Comma. Is it E?
So this means which is so in B and D there's nothing common.
Okay.
So for A part, there is nothing common in B and D. So you can even write 0 or nil for that one.
Got it.
Okay,
Yes.
got it?
Yes. Thank you.
And in the B part, they are asking you, yeah, okay. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care of yourself.
Hi.
And if you like the session, please give your valuable feedback and ratings.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.